Hi friend, this is Dr. Apoor Mehra. 15th August 2021. The team of Conceptual Orthopedics is gifting you an Independence Day gift. We are having open sessions for everybody in the world of orthopedics who wants to talk to us. The first session will be talking about the infections of the hand by a teacher who is just class apart, Professor Anil Dhalsar. The session will be chaired by Professor Sudhir Kumar sir. Friends, subsequent to the session, we will have the Dr. Shailesh Pai talking to you about the classifications of trauma. It is going to be a rapid fire. Get ready, get glued to your screens. This session will be chaired by Professor Shantaram Shetty sir. The last session will be live OSCE on arthroplasty, where Professor Heiko Greichen from Germany and Dr. Ashish Taneja will be interacting on this OSCE and chaired by Dr. Ravinder Dimri sir. Throughout this evening of 15th August, starting from 4 p.m. till 8 p.m., 4 hours, the senior professors and teachers will bless and be ready to answer your queries. We will have Professor V.B. Bhasin sir. We will have Professor Gopa Kumar sir. We will have Professor Ajit Kumar sir. We will have Dr. Harpreet Singh. We will have Dr. Fahim Kotika. We will have Dr. Naufal Nahas. We will have Dr. Rohit Prasad. And friends, I hope that you are getting ready for this evening so that let's learn more, as the classical lining is, the learning never ends. Let's meet on the Independence Day, the day where we are there for you on an evening serving you, and the day where we release the much awaited trauma book by the Conceptual Orthopedics family. Thank you very much.